So I have all my sensors over here. So if you need to replace your camshaft position sensor, you need to take off the engine cover. That's how you'll be able to access the two sensors. So there's one in the front for the intake and there's one at the back for the exhaust. So this is the first sensor and the other one is right at the back over here. It's kind of buried inside here. So you need a 10mm screw to take this thing off. So to take this bolt off, you also need to take this electrical connector off. So you just pinch it on the left side over here and it's going to come off, then unbolt this. So this is the sensor. Once you have it off, just replace it, do the same thing for the other one, and you'll be good. So make sure you have this EP Auto socket set or any other socket set. If you don't have one, I'm going to put the link for this one in the description. This one has all the bolts that you need, everything you need for this job. So make sure you have something like this so you can be able to do this. So first things first, pinch this from this side. Or alternatively, you can just take this off so you can be able to take this electrical connector easily without struggling doing it before. So let's first open up this. And then just wiggle it out slowly. You can use a flat screwdriver to take it out. So there you have it. So now you can be able to take this off easily. There you have it. So this is the old sensor. Just set it to the side. Get my new sensor. The back also has a crank shaft position sensor, so it's a good set and it's cheap. The link is going to be in the description, so check it out. So this is a new one, exactly the same. So same thing, just insert the connector. You're gonna hear like a clicking noise. That means it's intact. And then we can also apply some oil to this sensor. And then once you've done that, just put it back inside. And just wiggle it inside. You'll hear the knob going in. Get your bolt and wrap it up. So same thing you need to do to the other one. It's a bit tricky, it's kind of buried inside here. So it's try and move the camera a bit closer so you can see clearly. So that's it over there. Yep. There we have it. So again, push the pin over here so you can get the sensor out. So there we have it out. That's a new sensor. Put some oil and just put the electrical harness back. Same thing. Get your hand underneath. You'll hear the popping sound. Tighten it up. With that, you're good. So here, this is the sensor for the intake, and that's for the one that goes to the exhaust. So yeah, 2 new sensors. We've got the 2 old ones out. They're pretty old, as you can see. You can clean them, or I mean, they're cheap enough for you to just replace them. No need to clean them. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one. Ciao.